Good morning, children. Today we are going to see 6th English Term 2 Unit 1 Supplementary Think to Win. Children, the story Think to Win was written by Lata Kakku. This lesson is based on positive attitude. What is positive attitude? Positive attitude means being optimistic about situation, interactions and yourself. People with positive attitudes can remain hopeful and see the best even in difficult situations. This is called positive attitude. Okay, children, tell me why positive attitude is important. Positive attitude helps achieving goals and attaining success achieved faster and more easily. More happiness, more energy, greater inner power and strength. The ability to inspire and motivate yourself and others. Children, now let's see the characters of the story. This is Rucha. Rucha, 10 years old girl, and she is the main character of this story. This is Vishnu. She was teaching Rucha to ride the bicycle. This is Seema. She is Rucha's younger sister. Mr. Prakash. He is a PT instructor. Neelam, Aruna, Shabnam. They are Rucha's friends. Now, let's start the story. Rucha is overprotective of herself. Protective means safeguarding. Protective means safeguarding. She never did things rashly. Rashly means carelessly. Even in running and playing, she would be conscious of her movements. Conscious means responsive. But her younger sister Seema, on the other hand, was bold. Bold means brave and prone to taking risks. Prone means sensible. Rucha had no confidence in her ability. Confidence means trust. She always had some hesitations and denials. Hesitations means waiting or delay. Denials means contradiction. Even while learning to ride a bicycle, she feared that she may fall off, little knowing that she was riding well. Her fear and hesitation made her fall down the bicycle. She was also upset when she lost the inter-house badminton match by a couple of points. Her friends consoled her and asked her to practice more for the relay in the inter-school sports meet. Relay is nothing but a track and field sports consisting of a set number of stages, usually 4. Each leg run by a different member of a team. The runner finishing one leg is usually required to pass on a baton to the next runner, while both are running in a marked exchange zone. This is called relay. Rucha feared that she would make everyone lose the race. Feared means be afraid of. as her friends compelled her to take up the race. She agreed and started practicing under the new PT instructor, Mr. Prakash. He was very enthusiastic. Enthusiastic means passion about sports and drove the children hard, praising, scolding, correcting, but mostly encouraging them. Scolding means reapproach. Mr. Prakash overheard the conversations of the children that Springfield School had a very fast runner and they call her PT Usha. So he took a quick decision to make the girls practice more on the field. He also motivated them, saying that their aim should be to win the race, not just to make an attempt in the relay. Mr. Prakash showed them some exercise that would allow their legs to stretch more and stride faster. He also trained them in the skill of passing the baton without losing their speed. Mr. Prakash then turned to Rucha and gave her advice to win the relay. He asked her not to slow down and to have self-confidence. Self-confidence means self-trust. She should not have any self-doubts and not to think of losing. She must have positive attitude and see herself winning. Think to win. Only to win. Mr. Prakash said that he can feel that she can do it. Rucha was inspired by his words. At the sports meet, Prakash sir gave the girls his final words of encouragement. As the whistle blew, Shabnam, the first runner, gave the team a marginal lead. Marginal means small or tiny. Then to Neelam and Aruna, who ran just managing to keep abreast of the runner of the team A. Abreast means a row or side by side. Finally, the baton was in Rucha's hand. She had noted with dismay that she was pitted against PT Usha of Team A. Pitted means marked. When the baton was passed to her, she was more than ready. Prakash sir's words came to her mind. Think to win. The next moment, Rucha was conscious of nothing except the tap at the finishing line, which she had to reach. Totally absorbed, she ran. She lost track of time and distance. She ran on, not conscious of the fact that she race was over till Aruna called out of her that they have won. She was applauded by everyone, including the fast runner. Rucha had overcome her hesitations and denials. She could win whenever she chose to succeed. Okay children, now we came to an end of the story. So maintain a separate notebook for English. In case of any doubt, make a note of it, which will be clarified on the day of reopening. Children, now let's see the true or false. First one, Rucha's sister Seema was younger to her by 5 years. The answer is false. Second one, there was a considerable contrast between the two sisters. The answer is true. Third one, the Springfields did not have a very fast runner. The answer is false. Fourth one, Prakash sir did not give the final words of encouragement to the girls. The answer is false. Fifth one, she had overcome her hesitations and denials. The answer is true. Children, now let's see the important questions and answers. First one, how does Rucha differ from her sister? Rucha is overprotective of herself. She never did things rashly, even in running and playing. She would be conscious of her movements. But Seema, her younger sister, was bold and was ready to take any risks. Second one, Springfields has a runner and they call her P.T. Usha. Why did they call her so? As the runner runs very fast, like P.T. Usha, they call her so. Third one, describe the qualities of the new PT instructor, Mr. Prakash. The new PT instructor was very enthusiastic about sports and drew the children's heart, praising them, scolding and correcting them. But most of time he encourages and advises them a lot. Fourth one, what words were ringing in Rucha's ears when she was running in the relay? When Rucha was running in the relay, her PT sir's words came to her mind. Think to win. Think to win were the words ringing in her ears. Fifth one, what did Rucha finally realize about herself? She realized that she had overcome her hesitations and denials. She could win whenever she chose to do so. Children, it's time for question. Once again, you can go through the story and answer for this evaluation. Identify the character or speaker. First one, you must practice more. That is all. Second one, no self-doubts. Rucha, this is exactly what I have been waiting to tell you. Third one, girls, you are a good team. You can win. Go ahead and show your mettle. Good luck. Answer the following questions. First one, who wants to ride the bicycle? Second one, how did Rucha overcome her self-doubts? Third one, how old was Rucha? Fourth one, what type of a person was Mr. Prakash? Fifth one, how did Rucha finally win the match?